Hi everyone, it's Dr. Damien. Just wanted to give you a few tips about part 2 of the Review AE project. Specifically, I wanted to talk about the technicalities of using Canva to create your engaging and entertaining content, and also using HootSuite to schedule and to develop your Instagram and your Twitter posts. The first thing that you need to do is download the assignment guidelines. You can find these on Blackboard. The assignment's in 2 parts, paid search and social media marketing. In the social media marketing part, you're required to create 6 posts, 3 Instagram posts, 3 Twitter posts. For today's tutorial, I'm just going to focus on this first Instagram post. This post is designed to create awareness of the Review AE brand and must be aligned to our brand pillars, being lighthearted and local. To help you with this, I've actually uploaded a few extra files, a Review AE JPEG, which is our logo, a background file, which is our grey colour, and a stars file, which will help you move stars around and keep them consistent with our current campaign. I suggest you download these to your desktop. Once you've done that, go to canva.com. You'll have the option of signing up for a free 30-day trial. I've already done that, so I've been logged straight in. If you're comfortable using Photoshop, you can use that too. Now, Canva gives us an option to create many different things using many different templates. But what we're interested in is an Instagram post, at least for today. Again, you'll see lots of different templates, but we just want a blank file. Once the blank file loads, you'll see they'll give you the option of using more templates and putting these templates on top of your file. By all means, have a play around with these. You'll need to tweak it considerably for our particular circumstances. Or you might want to just create from scratch a nice, clean, new piece of content that is specifically designed to meet your needs. That's what I'm going to do right now. So if you click on Uploads, it'll give you the option here under the blue tab to upload the files that you just downloaded to your desktop. I've already done it. So here you can see the stars file, the background file, and the logo. Okay, so I'm going to move the background file across to Canva. Okay, so now you can see the post is the same color of all the other posts that we've done so far on Instagram. You might also want to add the logo. So that's just a matter of dragging that across as well. You can see that's not very well aligned, so I can move it around. You'll see these nice little grid lines appear that help me put it in the center. I might also want to put my stars across. Okay, so here I have 4 stars. So whatever I'm reviewing might need to be 4 stars. And then I have to come up with some nice, creative and engaging content. What am I thinking about right now? It's trying to give video lectures at home. So I don't really think that's 4 stars. Might rate that as 1 star. Now you've only got 4 stars here as an option, so you're going to need to crop. So if you go to crop, click on the stars and click crop, it'll give you the option of cropping the file to however many stars you need. Okay, so now I'm back down to 1 star. Similarly, if I needed 5 stars, I could just grab those stars, bring them across, resize. You get the idea. Okay, so 1 star for trying to record video lectures at home with the kids about. So next I need to add my text. If you click on the text button, you see lots of different options for text. I'm just going to use a basic heading here. Okay, so again, I'm going to try to align that up with the center of the page. Okay, there it is. Maybe I'll make it a little bit broader, a little bit wider. Maybe I might even change the font. Okay, so trying to record video lectures when your kids are at home. I don't know, I think that's kind of funny, but maybe you disagree. Okay, so, okay, that looks okay. Maybe I want to change the size of my star, make that look a bit nicer. Maybe I need to change the font style. Okay, so here we're just using the basic style. Maybe something that looks kind of similar to what we've been using before would be this one here. Okay, now I might want to change the text, make it a little bit larger. Maybe one more, 56 would be good. That looks pretty nice. And so 1 star review for what we have there. Okay, so that's my Instagram post. Now I need to download that. That's pretty simple. There's a download button up here on the top right-hand corner. If you click on download, you'll be suggested to download a PNG file. That'll be fine. Download that to your desktop. Okay, click allow. And now it's time to head over to HootSuite. So you should already be signed into HootSuite. I know most of you are already doing your social marketing programs, the certifications. So when you log into HootSuite, you can go to the Academy, obviously, or you can go to the dashboard, which is where you need to really construct the assignment. Okay, once you're into HootSuite, the first thing that you need to do is link an Instagram and a Twitter account to the network. Okay, you could do that by adding your own personal Instagram and Twitter account. But what I suggest is, because you're working in groups, it would probably be best just to create a fake account on Instagram and a fake account on Twitter. Use something similar to Review AE. You don't need to post with that account. We're never really actually going to post with the account, but you need an account linked to HootSuite so that you can create the content and schedule it for posting at a later date. Once you've connected those accounts, what I need you to do is to click on New Post. And here you need to choose what sort of post it is that it's going to be. So you're going to create 3 Instagram posts and 3 Twitter posts. For our example, we're just doing 1 Instagram post. So here we have the foundations of our Instagram post. And now we need to upload the content that we just created in Canva. So we're going to click on Upload. I saved it on the desktop. And here it is uploading right now. Okay, so we have my content, trying to record video lectures when your kids are at home, 1 star. I think it's a bad situation. Also, I think it's a bit funny, it's humorous, it's lighthearted. Maybe you disagree. And I hope you do a better job than me when you create your assignments. The next thing we need to do is create some text. So just like we spend a lot of time thinking about the title and the graphics, we need to think a lot about the text that we actually enter in. I haven't put much thought into it, but I will write for all the professors out there. We're thinking of you. Now, another thing that you might want to include is hashtags. So I had a quick look on Instagram before I recorded this video, and I saw that there were some words that were trending right now that are kind of relevant to the situation. So they were working from home, hashtag working from home problems, and working from home. Now, I might want to include screenshots of the number of posts that are happening around those hashtags at the moment into my assignment to give some validity regarding my argument as to why I've used those hashtags. Okay, so now I have my great text, I have my great content, I have my great title. I think we're almost ready to go. We need to schedule for later. So click on schedule for later down here, and in the assignment, I specifically asked for you to schedule all 6 posts for a week in October or November. So choose a week at random and schedule all of your posts for a particular week. Now, how you spread those posts out is really up to you. You can argue why you did it that way. Similarly, with the time of day, I want you to make an argument of why you chose that time of day and why it is that the best time of day to generate the most awareness or generate the most follow through to the account. So I'm just going to post here, click done, and I'll click schedule. So now my post is going to be scheduled. It's going to be posted on that day. So if I click on publisher over here, this is the calendar of events. And right now you can see my calendar for March. But if I jump right ahead to October, that week in October that we just scheduled for, it should appear here. And here it is. Okay, so I want you to take a screenshot once you've created all 6 posts of this page, demonstrating that you've scheduled for that week in October or November, so it all makes sense. Okay, I haven't put a great deal of thought into my content creation, into my title, into my text, or into my hashtags, but I've still managed to create some content that is reasonably good, and it could be sent out pretty quickly. So I'm really looking forward to what you create. I know you're going to spend a lot of time thinking about it, a lot of time crafting it, a lot of time thinking about the words that we use, and applying some of the concepts that we talk about in class. So good luck. If you have any questions, hit me up on the discussion board, ask me in the class, talk to Dr. Tim as well if you're in Dubai, and good luck. See you guys. Go on.
No, you say it. You say it.
You say who you're talking
to. I am this guy's son.
This guy? Try again.
Hi.